Hello everyone. In today's session we'll be seeing image formation in a convex lens. The materials required are a scale which is in 1 meter or 100 centimeter, a lens holder or convex lens, a candle, a matchbox and a screen. Let us see the setup now. Make sure to place the lens at the center of the scale. Also, find the focal length of the given lens by placing the object and getting the image at the right position using the lens formula. Firstly, the object is placed between f1 and the optical center. The image formed is on the same side as that of the object. The nature of the image is virtual and erect. The size of the image is enlarged. You can see it in the lens. Let us shift the position of the object. The object is placed at f1. The image formed is at infinity. The nature of the image is real and inverted. The size of the image is highly enlarged. You can see that the image is not formed on the screen. It may be formed somewhere. Let us go to the third position. Now the object is placed between f1 and 2f1. The image formed is between 2f2. The nature of the image is real and inverted and the size of the image is enlarged. Now the object is placed at f1. The image formed is at 2f2. The nature of the image is real and inverted. The size of the image is same as that of the object. Let us shift the position of the object again. The object is now placed beyond 2f1. The image is formed between f2 and 2f2. The nature of the image is real and inverted. The size of the image is diminished. Now the object is placed at infinity. The image formed is at f2. The nature of the image is real and inverted. The size of the image is highly diminished, that is point size. Thanks for watching.